Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, account credentials, a valid phone number, and payment method. Once done, install the carrier services app and grant required permissions so features work. Sign in and verify with SMS or two-factor authentication to authenticate your device. Make sure to choose the correct service type, data plan, voicemail, or device provisioning, so the app loads relevant options. This avoids later errors and speeds setup, because the app tailors steps to the service you selected. You now configure the chosen service, pick a plan or feature, and follow the guided screens. As you proceed, choose limits such as data caps or minutes, set effective dates, and confirm pricing to avoid surprises. Make sure to review permissions and allow contact sync if needed for features like voicemail transcription. Once settings look good, enable auto-renew only if you want continuous coverage. These detailed choices control billing and behavior, so take a moment to verify each option before confirming. You finish by confirming the order, accepting terms, and completing payment. Copy the confirmation ID for reference. Once done, test the service. Place a call, send a text, or run a quick speed check to validate activation. If the app shows pending status, make sure to refresh and allow a few minutes for provisioning. If things go wrong, try toggling airplane mode or restarting your device. If that fails, contact carrier support and provide your confirmation ID so they can resolve provisioning quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.